The forests of the Philippines are home to some of the most unique and diverse wildlife in the world. Among them are the Philippine long-tailed macaques, a species of monkey found only in this part of the world.
The macaques themselves is a very broad species. There's, I want to say over 100 different species of different types of macaques, but in general, macaque species as primate, they are very diverse and they're very adaptable, highly adaptable species. So for Philippine long-tailed macaques, they are arboreal and terrestrial.
The Philippine long-tailed macaque is a highly intelligent and social primate that is native to the Philippines. These monkeys can be found in a variety of habitats, including tropical forests, mountain forests, mangroves, and grasslands. The Philippine long-tailed macaque is a skillful climber and spends a lot of time in trees. They are also excellent swimmers and have been known to dive into water to catch fish and other aquatic creatures. These macaques are omnivorous and eat a variety of foods including fruits, leaves, insects, small mammals, and even bird eggs.
In our monkey enclosure here, we actually have fish, including tilapia and catfish. But in the wild, of course, there's a variety of different types of aquatic prey that they will hunt for.
Despite their fearlessness, Philippine long-tailed macaques are facing increasing threats from humans. Habitat loss, poaching, and the wildlife trade have all taken a toll on their populations.
Unfortunately, within the past few years, the long-tailed macaques have went from near threatened to actually endangered. So, as I mentioned earlier, they are a highly adaptable species. So when a highly adaptable or highly diverse species becomes endangered, it's concerning.
In an effort to protect these endangered primates, the Philippine Eagle Foundation is working to conserve their habitats by providing sanctuary and raise public awareness about their importance.
So these macaques, they get fed about 2 times a day, which includes fruits and veggies. They are omnivores, so meaning they will eat basically anything. So our troop of long-tailed macaques right now, this current colony here have been born and bred here at the Philippine Eagle Center. They are captive bred, but our founding troop were actually turnovers from the wild, from our DENR.
By supporting the Philippine Eagle Center, you can help protect the Philippine long-tailed macaque and other threatened species in the Philippines. The fate of these primates is in our hands. Let's make sure we choose wisely. Together, we can make a difference. Join the fight. Save the long-tailed monkey's right. The Philippine brown deer, commonly known as usa and banao, is a critically endangered deer species found only in the Philippines. It is generally brown in color with a white tail underside. Antlers are common among males.
The Philippine brown deers are a species of large ungulates. They are large hoofed ruminant animals. So ruminants meaning that they acquire their food through plant-based or plant-sourced resources, and then they ferment in their stomach before digestion.
Conservation groups like Philippine Eagle Foundation have worked extensively to save and secure the survival of the Philippine brown deer. In the Philippine Eagle Center, you can encounter deer roaming around in one of the enclosures.
In captivity, less so, because they recognize us as the ones that give food, and so they'll come to us towards the food. Antlers do fall off. They're made of the same materials of our nail and keratin, and they will grow back, so they typically fall off during breeding season for our males.
In this particular group, there are 3 adult male, 2 female, and 2 juvenile deer. As you can see here, male deer are separated from female and juvenile deer because during mating season, males tend to be solitary and violent. These deer are elusive to people. They are naturally strong and difficult to handle. The deer stomp their feet when they are alarmed as a warning sign to predators. They have very strong and sturdy antlers which can deal severe damage and even break bones. Male deer often use them to protect females from natural predators.
85% of the diet, like in the wild, would be a browse. So yeah, browse would be like woody shrubs, grasses, trees, broadleaf plants, whatnot. 15 to 20% would be about fruits and veggies or root crops that we would have, that they would forage in the wild, but also provided here at the center. So they get a variety. See their ears like twitch back and forth, so they're monitoring their environment, looking out for predators, hearing for danger specifically, because deer are technically prey animals, so their behavior encompasses that being of a prey, right? So they're always on alert, always making sure of their surroundings, trying to protect their young, protect the herd, their safety in numbers. That's why they like being with other individuals of the same species.
They are high-strung species, so it's dangerous and difficult to take care of them. Deforestation, habitat loss, and hunting activities, despite attempts to maintain the deer's habitat safe and protected them from poachers, the species population continues to decline. Long time ago, a species that was known to have a powerful jaws with many conical teeth and huge body was rescued by the Philippine Eagle Center. The Philippine Eagle Center is adjacent to the Mala Ghost Watershed, Baguio District, Davao City. All of the animals in the PEC were turned over or rescued after they were shot or severely injured. One of this animal is the crocodile, named Gold Dipper. Gold Dipper is an estuarine crocodile, one of the animals who were rescued here in the Philippine Eagle Center. He is 14 feet long. Estuarine crocodile is considering as the biggest reptiles in the entire world. They are ectothermic. Their body temperature is derived from the external environment. Their scale is specially designed to absorb heat and maintain temperature. When his mouth opens, he's trying to release the heat from his body or cooling down his body temperature. Estuarine crocodile is very territorial animal and also known for being one of the most aggressive species in the world. Besides having aggressive behavior, he was burdened by a painful past.
Si Gold Dipper, na-retrieve siya from SPDA way back in the early 90s. And then, nagkaroon ng problema yung kanyang mga mata dahil sa yung mga guests from the previous facility, tinatapunan siya ng mga hard objects like stones, woods, or any hard objects. Kasi yung mga tao, hindi nila alam yung behavior, yung natural behavior ng hayop as a nocturnal animal. So gusto nilang pagalawin during the daytime, and that's the opposite way of making the animal acting. And so, ang nangyayari, tinatamaan yung kanyang mata hanggang sa nagbulag. And so, dito naman, si Gold Dipper, nasa 30 years plus na yung pagtira niya dito. And we've been feeding him like our rabbits and white rabbits.
The PEC is home to many other wildlife species in which they take good care of these animals from being extinct in the wild. They have been rehabilitated and serve as educational ambassadors, in which the PEC can impart to many people the importance of their existence in their respective habitats.
to anyone that wants to continue to volunteer at the Philippine Eagle Foundation, we truly appreciate it. Volunteerism is a selfless act, and we need all the people that can support and want to conserve the Philippine eagle. This is our national bird. This is the future of the Philippines, right? You guys will be the future of the Philippines. We want more Filipinos and Filipinas to join our mission, right? I also started as a volunteer, as an intern, and you never know where it will lead you, right? Look at me today. I became the first woman in history to flight train the Philippine eagle. I am an animal keeper here at the Philippine Eagle Foundation, conserving our national bird for you guys to continue on this mission. So saving eagles, protecting forests is securing our future. So thank you.